I work for a company called Gradwell Communications. We sell VoIP telephony to small and medium-sized businesses. We've got about 70 employees and about 20,000 customers, and we had the issue that Salesforce was its own island. So we had our sales team who were creating their own account records and things like that. Quite often someone was manually going and creating it in NetSuite. We've got about 45,000 account records between the two systems, and it was getting to the point that it was taking hours to make a sale to a customer because they'd have to be set up in one system and then made to another. We were at the point that we had members of our support team sort of shouting out, is anyone in NetSuite at the moment, logging in and seeing what was going on. And when you've got a customer on the phone and you couldn't get access to the information you needed straight away, then it was slowing them down. And also you just had different information. You could easily load up a customer account on multiple systems and find differing addresses, differing names, different email addresses, which just caused confusion whilst trying to handle things. So we use the Celigo NetSuite to Salesforce integrator, and it essentially acts as a way of syncing information between our two platforms. And for us, it allows two parts of the business to see the same information and make changes, and it get reflected across the two. We found out there was a brand new platform, brand new way of integrating, a lot easier based on the integrated.io platform, which interested us. So we explored that route, and we evaluated if we could have written our own system, but why start writing our own when someone else has already taken care of sort of the complexities behind it. A lot of the financial information, a lot of the product information we were able to use straight out of the box. It was only sort of the customer information, account and contact information where we could customize it to suit what we wanted, and that was easy to set up once we sort of knew the approach we needed to take. I did the implementation myself, as it turned out, and it was only a few hours sort of a week. The actual deciding of the mapping and the qualification issues was nice and easy to implement. It was all there in the UI. To borrow a Salesforce mantra, almost clicks not code, and so we were able to approach that, and sort of it was fairly easy to set up, and it was then just testing cycles and adjusting to suit. It always felt native to NetSuite. It was a targeted integration, and you could tell that there was specialist knowledge in both those areas, which is what made it easy to use. We've managed to remove the manual intervention to get new customers signed up. We've already taken advantage of the Salesforce to NetSuite flow, and I've already heard our customer support team mention in terms of data coming back of, oh, I can see these financial records now, this is available, I don't need to worry about going into this other system.